All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our AI Learning Agents project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, today I'm going to take the day to actually just fool around with some of these models that we have here, different models and different agents. I didn't really feel like doing too much building inside the Unreal Engine, so I'm decided to tinker around with some of these models. So with this model here is going to be from a BERT, a tokenizer model, or you can see here it's going to be the BERT model. And what this model does is it takes some text and it encodes it. So you can see here we have our pip install, and we have our imports that we need to actually run the model. And we're going to load our model using a tokenizer. You can see this is how we're going to load it, and this is how we're going to encode the text. You can see this is the text here that we want to encode, and then we're going to return the tensors of the tokenizer, the pre-train, and then we're gonna actually load our model, and then we're actually gonna return our tensor that has our encoded text in the form of a tokenizer. So let's go down and see exactly what we have. You can see here that everything went through with the pip install. So we were able to successfully load our model. The model was loaded and came through. And you can see here, this is our text. So this is what our text is in the form of a tokenizer, in the form of a tensor. So this is our Para La Casa de Gates as a tokenizer and a tensor. And this is a 3D tensor. How do we know it's a 3D? All you have to do is count the brackets. You can see 1, 2, 3. So however many brackets you have is the shape of your tensor. Like I said, so this is a 3D tensor. Now that's not where I'm going to stop. What I want to do is I want to see if I can reverse engineer this code so I can actually bring back the original text. So I want to bring back this original text right here from its tokenized version. So I want to actually go backwards and print this Para La Casa de Gates and have that print to our screen instead of the tokenized version. Again, I haven't done this before on my own, so I'm taking it step by step, and I'm going to challenge myself and see if I can actually do it. And this is an attempt to get more familiar with the learning agents and the different models, so I can see exactly what they can do, the differences between the two, and how to go about utilizing them in our code moving forward. But that's what I'm going to do today. Like I said, this is going to be some self-taught stuff. Nothing really major, just tinkering around and see what I can do and what I'm capable of. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. And I'm not going to say if, but when I do finally reverse engineer this and get the text to print out, I will make a video on that and keep you guys updated on it. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.